Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're going to introduce some of our new pocket knives. First we have the EDC Diesel with a 14C28 end blade, titanium frame lock, G10 handle. It's on ball bearing, so it has smooth opening action. It is a little big, so sometimes you need both hands. Now let's take a look at how the length of this blade and the knife. So the blade itself looks to be about almost 4-inch blade and overall length of almost 9 inches. Then we have the D2 shark fin. I like this unique design that we came up with. Canvas micarta handle. This is something new we introduced with a D2 titanium wash. Nice opening action. I like the style of clip. Really cool clip. Overall, it's about 7. The blade is about 3. This one we also have in VG10 Japanese Damascus steel. Sorry, I messed that up, but same type clip. Then we have the BNB button lock Ravens, right, with the D2 titanium wash blade, G10 handle, deep carry pocket clip. Smooth closing, opening. Let's try that again. So the overall on that, guys, about 7.5, 3-inch blade. We also have this knife in OD green. You can open it with the flipper, with a thumb stud. Jimping on the blade, OD green. Now let's see how these do with the card stock. Nice. Smooth. We also introduced our new knife cloth this year. Take a look at it. It's really nice on the knives. So yeah, guys, check out our new knives. New pocket knives, pick them up. BNBknives.com.